Hello and welcome to my differentiated instruction and engagement video by Tanner Warren. So my goal is to become an instructional designer where I will develop and create lesson plans, videos, and LMS systems for adult and child learners. And LMS stands for Learning Management System, such as Halo, Canvas, or Blackboard. And my goal is to receive a master's degree and to teach at a California community college after I graduate. My name is Tanner Warren, and I currently identify as non-binary, which is an umbrella term for people who do not identify with any gender, or they identify with both genders. So, differentiated instruction. What is it and how does it relate to the brain? Differentiated instruction is a means of making adjustments in order to meet the individual needs of all learners in an all-inclusive classroom. So this means catering to different needs of the students based on abilities, and we can use different methods for that. And then how does this relate to brain-based learning? Well, differentiation of instruction is related to instructional design, in that knowing how the brain works, instructional designers can use that knowledge to create different levels of instruction or tiers. Using formative assessments, educators can understand what level a student is on and can even understand why that student is at that particular level based on studying the brain. To continue on, we're going to look at differentiation, brain-based learning strategies. So strategy 1, using the knowledge of brain-based learning, we can understand that one strategy that is effective in gaining memory retention would be physical activity breaks for the students. This allows for better remembering of the lessons because of these mental breaks. Jensen and McConchie, 2020. Strategy 2, using evaluation. Evaluation of instruction can also be differentiated to address special needs. For example, by allowing verbal instead of written responses to test questions, allowing additional time to complete the test, reading questions aloud to individual students, or allowing the use of calculators when mastery of math facts is not a requirement. Mastropieri and Scruggs, 2018. Engagement. What is engagement in education? Engagement is when students are actively participating and are involved with the assignment fully. How does this relate to brain-based learning? In a broad sense, teachers need to maximize student learning by maximizing student engagement with instruction and instructional materials. With that, knowing how the brain works when engaging in a lesson, instructional designers can use that information to make a different lesson plan. And one strategy for the use of engagement, we can use brain-based learning activities, and we can use actually gamification, such as computer games, to actively engage the students' participation more. And these are my references, Jensen and McConchie of 2020, and Mastropieri and Scruggs of 2018. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week.